Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this really beautiful galaxy look. I was really feeling these colors today, so stay tuned and check it out. I'm going to start off with the P. Louise base. This is shade number 2, and I'm using this flat Sigma brush. I actually don't know the name of this collection, but all the brushes have like this red handle. So I'm not going to go into shadows yet. I'm going to do another base. I'm using this pinkish color called Raver. This is also from P. Louise, and I'm gonna apply this color in my crease. I've actually never done this technique before, so let's see how it's gonna work out. So I'm applying this color in the crease, and I'm just gonna put a very little amount so that I can blend it out. I'm gonna blend this out with the Japanese 714 brush, and this is a nice stiff brush so that we can just blend the edges. We don't want this all over the place. The Morphe M513 brush, and I'm finally using this palette. I'm using the shade D3, so this is that hot pink shade. I'm gonna go over my pink base color with this palette. I'm gonna go in with the shade C4. This is a really pretty deep teal. And I'm gonna apply that on the outer end of my lid. So I'm gonna grab the shade Bittersweet, which is a really pretty purple from the Kristen Dominic palette. And we're gonna actually use that to blend these edges. So after we have those edges blend out, I'm gonna go over it with this hot pink shadow again, just to make sure we don't lose that pink tone crease. I'm gonna go over the outer ends with this really vibrant blue, actually more towards the middle area, to give a nice touch of turquoise. So I'm trying to think which shimmer I should put on the inner corners of the lid. I love the hot pink and the purple. I'm like trying to put it against the eyes and see which one would look better. I'm gonna go in with this base from Huda Beauty. This is the pinkish shimmer color, and I'm just gonna apply that on the inner lid. Purple shade from the Huda Beauty Gemstone palette, and I'm gonna apply that right over the base here. Okay, now I'm kind of thinking maybe I should use the hot pink. Okay, let's go over this with hot pink, or should we leave it purple? So I'm actually going to get this purple and take it a little bit to the inner corners just to give a nice dramatic look. So for the bottom, I'm going to use these two pencils from Urban Decay. One of them is Viper and the other one's Roxy. So I'm trying to figure out if I should do I think I should do blue on the outer ends. Oh, that's so pretty. I think it has glitter inside too. I'm gonna blend this out with a pencil brush. It's nice and creamy, so just want to do it right away before it dries. I go in with the purple and apply that on the inner corners, kind of halfway, so that we blend it with the blue pencil. So for the inner corners, I'm going to go over it with the hot pink shimmer. I feel like we didn't use enough hot pink on the lid. So this actually looks purple in the center because when blue and pink mix, it becomes purple. It's just simple color theory. I'm going to take a break from the eyes and do my brows. And we'll actually go back to it because I still want to apply some glitter and of course lashes. I'm going to apply a little bit of an opal shimmer. I'm kind of going a little over the top here, but I just wanted to go all out for this look. I'm going to use the glitter adhesive by Anastasia, and I don't know how strong this is, so I'm going to pick it up with a brush first, just so I don't put like a blob on my eye. And I'm just going to lightly apply the opal glitter, also from Anastasia, and I'm just doing this with my finger so I can have control over the product. I'm going to use the new Mercier blush palette. I actually just got this in the mail. I haven't used it yet. I'm going to use these two pink colors right here. I'm going to bronze up my face with the Fenty bronzer. This is the shade Private Island. So I applied some nude lip liner from KKW, the shade number 2, and honestly I just put some random nude lipstick over it, and I went over it with a beauty blender and concealer to make it really white. And now I'm going to go over that with the MAC Dazzleglass. This is the shade Like Venus, and I think this will look really good with the eyes. I'm going to use this really pink iridescent color from Jouer. The shade is called Celestial. And I'm using the Morphe R31 highlight brush. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you want to see next time, and of course make sure you subscribe to my channel.